OpenCart is an open-source e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage online stores easily. It offers various features such as product management, multiple payment gateway integrations, and shipping options. With OpenCart, you can set up an online store and sell products or services to customers worldwide. To make money online with OpenCart in 2024, follow this step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. Research and choose a niche. Determine what products or services you want to sell online. Identify a profitable niche that interests you, has a demand, and is not overly saturated. Set up a domain and hosting. Purchase a domain name that represents your business and is easy to remember. Next, choose a reliable web hosting provider that supports OpenCart. Some popular OpenCart hosting providers include A2 Hosting, InMotion Hosting, and Fast Comet. Install OpenCart. Follow the hosting provider's instructions to install OpenCart on your server. Most hosting providers offer one-click OpenCart installation, making the process straightforward. Customize your store. Customize your OpenCart store by selecting a professional-looking template or theme. You can find various free and paid themes on the OpenCart website or other marketplaces like Template Monster and Theme Forest. Configure settings and add products. Set up essential settings such as taxes, currencies, payment methods, and shipping options. Then, add your products with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Optimize your store for search engines by creating unique and keyword-rich product descriptions, titles, and URLs. Install an SEO extension like SEO Ultimate or All in SEO to further enhance your store's visibility. Promote your store. Drive traffic to your online store using various marketing strategies. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your products. Consider running paid ads on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. Enhance customer experience. Provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries promptly and addressing any issues. Offer secure payment methods, multiple shipping options, and a user-friendly checkout process to ensure a positive shopping experience. Analyze and improve. Monitor your store's performance using OpenCart's built-in analytics or third-party tools like Google Analytics. Identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to increase sales and customer satisfaction. Expand and scale your business. As your business grows, consider adding new products, expanding your target audience, and exploring other sales channels like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Offer promotions, loyalty programs, and bundle deals to encourage repeat customers and word-of-mouth marketing. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and grow your online business using OpenCart in 2024. Remember to stay updated with the latest e-commerce trends and continuously work on improving your store to stay ahead of the competition.